Breaking news coming in Karnataka. Government has gagged the media. Bommai government has stopped the media from entering the lobby to interview MLAs. Journalists are sitting on a protest. Speaker says he has not given any such advice. Congress MLA Rizwan Arshad termed this decision fascist. So journalists are protesting outside the Karnataka Assembly on the back of this. Nolan will be joining us in just about a bit.
BJP is an authoritarian party. It's a sectarian party, fascist party. Does it like media to come inside the assembly and cover the events because they would not like to spectacle their anti-democratic behavior inside the assembly? That is precisely the reason all the media has been thrown out of the assembly in previously also. Then media never made an issue. And in parliament also, the media has been thrown out of the parliament so that the media doesn't show how undemocratic the BJP is, how anti-constitutional they behave in the assembly and outside the assembly.
Nolan is now joining us live for the latest. Nolan, what's the reason behind this particular gag? And of course, journalists are now protesting against this particular gag. How does the government really explain stopping the media from entering the lobby to interview the MLAs?
Well, Chaiti, let me just put it this way. There is a place for us to stand outside, and we were also allowed right from the beginning, that is from last Monday, to enter the lobby, interview MLAs, interview ministers, MLAs basically from the opposition as well. There was absolutely no issue. Suddenly this morning, most of us received a call stating that we will not be allowed permission to enter the lobby of the assembly, but we'll have to actually stand where I'm actually standing now. And if the ministers or if the MLAs do want to come and speak to us, then that's it. Now, this was not acceptable to everyone. In fact, the reporters, senior reporters, the media, in fact, all sat over here on the steps outside the entrance protesting. The speaker came, he spoke to them, he stated that no such advice has been given or no instruction has come from his office and that he will resolve this particular issue. But sources tell us that this order could have been at the behest of certain senior leaders to stop the media from entering. Now, the opposition has raised a lot of questions, stating that today is the day when they will actually take up the discussion on the anti-conversion bill. And many are wondering whether this could be to curb the media and avoid the media interacting on a regular basis, especially with opposition leaders, so that people do not know what's exactly happening inside.
All right, Nolan, thanks for getting us the latest details right there. The Karnataka versus Maharashtra showdown over Belagavi has now escalated into a full-blown war of words.